Imagine a world where your digital assistant not only answers questions, but actually gets work done for you. That world is closer than you think. It's powered by AI agents, technology that's transforming how we work, communicate, and solve problems. Most people picture AI as just a chatbot. You chat, it responds. But AI agents are far more capable. They understand your goals, devise plans, use digital tools, take actions, and complete tasks step by step. Let's explore 5 AI agents that are reshaping the future. First, personal AI assistant agents. They manage your inbox, prepare meeting notes, remind you of deadlines, and organize your schedule like a digital secretary. Imagine reclaiming hours of productivity just by delegating routine tasks. Second, customer support AI agents. These agents listen, analyze problems, search company resources, create support tickets, recommend solutions, and loop in human experts for complex cases. Customer service is getting faster, more efficient, and more personal. Third, coding and IT AI agents. Imagine having a teammate that writes code, scans for errors, reviews system logs, and supports your IT crew by tackling repetitive tasks. Developers and tech teams are achieving more by collaborating with these agents. Fourth, cybersecurity AI agents. With cyber threats constantly evolving, these agents monitor alerts, spot suspicious behavior, dig into potential breaches, and help security teams respond swiftly, stopping attacks before they escalate. Fifth, business workflow AI agents. From analyzing sales reports to summarizing documents and preparing presentations, these agents help managers compare data and make quick, informed decisions. Workflow becomes seamless, and creativity takes center stage. Here's the fundamental shift. Chatbots provide answers. AI agents drive actions, but they aren't magic. They need clear instructions, reliable data, robust security, and human oversight. The future isn't humans versus AI. It's humans working alongside AI agents. Those who harness the power of AI agents will work smarter, faster, and more creatively than ever before. Embracing these tools could be one of the most important decisions you make in the digital era. Are you ready to take the next step? Share your thoughts. Which AI agent would you use first? Join the conversation and subscribe for more insights on the technologies shaping tomorrow.